Welcome back, students. Let us start part 2 of lesson 1. Here we are going to discuss the basic concepts for business economic analysis. What are the basic concepts in economics that we will see? Last time I told you that we are going to discuss the various concepts. So first is opportunity cost. This concept is really very important. Listen to it very carefully. The concept of opportunity cost is very important in economic analysis. For example, suppose you have a couple of hours at your disposal. You can use the time to watch TV, read books, chat with your friends, or any other purpose. If you feel that reading a book would be the best way to spend your time, then opportunity cost would be the next best alternative that you have sacrificed. Let us say watching TV. So, in order to use your time resource for one activity, you have to forego another activity. Forego means you let it go. This foregoing is opportunity cost of doing the activity you choose. The choice and sacrifice need to be made because resources are scarce and resources have alternative uses. Are you getting this point? Opportunity cost can be asked, this sentence can be asked for true or false. It would be the next best alternative that you have sacrificed. Right? So this because our wants are unlimited and our resources are limited, and our resources have alternative uses. We can use the resource for this purpose, that purpose, like that. So this is what is the meaning of opportunity cost. Second, marginalism and incrementalism. First, we will see what is marginalism. It is the base of economic decision making. Marginal means additional or extra. Economic analysis is marginal analysis because there is always the need to make decisions regarding some change. Business economic analysis are based on marginalism. Business units are constantly taking decisions at the margin. Any change in existing situation will bring about a change in parameters and measurements. So this is what about the marginalism. Next, incrementalism. The term marginal denotes a small unit change, but many times changes take place in bulk or in batches. For example, the firms do not generally increase production by one more unit, but by the batch of additional units. In such situation, the concept used is incrementalism. For example, a firm may decide to open a branch in another city. This is an incremental decision. Our college can have a branch in another area, that is incrementalism. Okay. Next, marginal analysis. Marginal decisions are taken by individuals, households, firms, and by the government. Governments may want to increase the existing tax rate or increase public expenditure on education. All these decisions involve the analysis of marginal cost and marginal benefit. So these are the basic concept. They keep coming, so you have to understand the meaning of these concepts. Opportunity cost, marginalism, and incrementalism, and marginal analysis. These are the things that you should know. These are the basic concepts for business economics analysis. Thank you very much.